When we built this garden office, we used SIPS panels for the construction, so there wasn't actually any need to use cladding on the front of it, but we decided to put it on anyway to give it a better look. To make it a little bit more unique, I decided to give it this chunky look by using some scaffolding boards, and then I charred them using the Shou Sugi band technique, which also protects the wood as a natural wood preserver. But over the last couple of years, as you can see, this has all started to fade a little bit. So in today's garden ready for summer video, I'm going to be refinishing this cladding to give it a nice dark look again. When I originally did these boards, I scorched the back and the front to protect the timber before fitting them to the SIPs with tech screws. I'm going to be using a weed burner and a small blowtorch to re-scorch all of the boards. I find that the blowtorch is better to use as you have more control and it darkens the wood quicker as the flame's more concentrated. The weed burner, you need to keep it in the same place for a bit longer. In case you're wondering why I'm using ear defenders for this, they're Bluetooth ones, so I use them to listen to music when I'm doing jobs like this. I had to cheat slightly when it came to the bits close to the windows and the trims, as I couldn't scorch these areas without melting the plastic. So I used some diluted black wood stain to blend these parts in. When I first did the cladding, I didn't use any oil and I left it just scorched. With Shou Sugi ban, you don't actually need the oil, and the charring itself protects the wood. However, I decided to use the oil this time round as I wanted to further darken the boards and hopefully keep them darker for longer. I used some exterior wood oil, which did the job really well. I just brushed this on and let it dry. You can see here the difference between the oiled and the unoiled parts. Usually I would have put some sheets down for a job like this, but because I just sealed the patio, any oil drips, just wipe straight off with a towel. And that's us all done. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Oiling it definitely made a big difference, and the carbon that's mixed with the oil has actually made a really good natural wood stain. And hopefully adding the oil is going to keep it black for longer this time. Here's a very satisfying before and after fade. I definitely think it looks so much better now. Hopefully you agree. Well, actually, I don't really care if you agree because it's my house. I really like how much the colour of the bench now pops now that the cladding is darker. We're very nearly at the end of this Garden Ready for Summer series, so hopefully that means that summer is just around the corner. All I've got left to do is to sort out the fire pit and all of the patio furniture, which I'm going to do next week in the final episode. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.